Hello and welcome to Digit, and in this video I'm going to show you how to customize the performance of your ASUS TUF Dash F15 laptop. Now this TUF Dash laptop is the F15 and the model number is the FX516PE. It's an eclipse gray color. It has an Intel i5 11300H processor. It has 8GB of RAM, and this is the laptop right here, as you can see it. So let me just tell you about the performance. So it's an ASUS laptop. So what you need to do is you need to open an app called Armory Crate. Now one way to go access Armory Crate is, of course, you go here in the search bar and you type Armory and it shows up over there. Another way to do it is on the keyboard itself. There are different shortcut settings. So this is actually a pretty useful thing. So if you press function and you press this F5 button, the F5 button, as you can see, I'm not sure you guys can see it over there, there you are. There's a little fan icon, so if you press F5, it actually changes. So right now it's in performance mode, and if I press function F5 again quickly, it'll go into silent mode. So these are the two different performance mode settings that this laptop comes with. But let me just go ahead and open Armory Crate and actually show you these. So that's the shortcut way of doing it. Say you're gaming and you really want to quickly change the profiles, it'll quickly do it. Right now, of course, you can't actually hear the fans running because we're not playing any games, but if you were playing a gaming session, the fans will kick in. So immediately as soon as you open Armory Crate, it asks you to log in. I am actually not going to do that. I'm just going to go straight to the user center. It's asking me for an update. I won't update it right now because it'll take a long time, but yeah, do update and keep it up to date. Okay. Logins, not login right now. Let me just close the user center and let's open Armory Crate again without that option. So I just want to quickly show you guys the interface, right? So there you are. This is the interface. I'll cancel that. So this is the interface that I was trying to show you, and as you can see, it tells you right down here the two different setting modes. There's silent and there's performance. So if you press function and F5, it's now gone into performance mode. So this is basically what I wanted to show you. Apart from that, you can actually get a lot of different stats. You can get your system vitals right from here, and Armory Crate is a pretty useful app. You can do a lot of things with Armory Crate, like syncing up your device. If you have other ASUS, you have headphones, you have other ASUS products, you can, and they support Aura Sync. You can actually control the RGB and make it common across everything. You can actually sync all your effects through Aura Sync, and there's a ton of stuff that you can do here. You can set the game visual color temperatures to different settings based on what you're playing. There's a game library, of course. They have scenario profiles where you can set different profiles. There's a store, as you can see. There's news. So there's a lot of stuff that ASUS provides through Armory Crate, but the one that you need to remember is silent mode and performance mode, which you can do by pressing function F5. So there you are, folks. That was the video. We hope you found it useful. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.